Today, I have the Shine Decor Smart LED Silicon Neon Light Kit. Shout out to Shine Decor for sending this out for me to review. I'm going to take a look at it, install it, see what it's all about. Now, this particular light kit, it retails for about 50 bucks. I believe it's 50 bucks. This is supposed to be like a rope LED kind of thing. It like looks like a neon light. You know, like those neon light signs that they used to have back in the day, that it was gas filled in a glass tube. So that's what this is supposed to imitate, except you're not using gas anymore and glass tubes. Super excited to see just how well this operates, because one of the things that I don't really like about LED light strips, the diodes are just too far apart, and so it kind of breaks the seamless illusion that everyone likes. All right, so in the box we have a foam, and then we have the LED light kit. Yeah, so like a nice little instruction pamphlet. We have a power adapter. This is a 12 volt 3 amps 36 watt power adapter. User instructions. We have the LED rope. Not seeing any double-sided tape on this, so you're gonna have to get creative on how you actually use this. Not gonna be able to just stick it anywhere you want. We have a remote control, and this allows you to control the LED colors through the Shine Decor app. We also have a bag of screws, some waterproof end caps that go at the end of the rope, and then some brackets to hold them in place to wherever you want to put them. And then some double-sided tape. First thing is first, you have the end of the light here, and this is going to plug into your controller. Power adapter right here, and it's going to plug into the controller like so, and then just plug it in. So if you look at the LED lights, if we look at the remote here, we have a couple of features that we can do using the remote. We have off, we have auto mode. Auto mode just kind of puts it in this automatic transition. I guess if you don't want to control the transition, you can just use auto mode to have it do it for you. You have on to turn it on. If it's off, you have equalizer 1. So setting it on equalizer 1, this is how it reacts to sound. So when it hears sounds, this is the kind of reaction this LED strip will give you. Then we have 2. So if we put equalizer 2, this is the reaction the LED light strips will give you when it detects sound. Now all of these are being registered on the external microphone that's built into the control module. We have number 3. So if we go into number 3, this is how it reacts to sound. So it's a little bit faster than the last 2. Apart from that, we have the ability to control the speed of the transition. We also have some modes right here. So if we click on mode plus, it'll kind of go into this breathing mode. Then we click it again. Again, it's staying one color. It's a static color, but it's putting this breathing effect on it. This is white, breathing effect for white, red. This one is going through all the RGB colors in the breathing effect. And then this one, it's just taking off the breathing effect transition, and it's just changing the light altogether, the RGB light. And this reminds me of those neon open signs back in the 90s. This is kind of like what you would do if you were going to use this LED strip to, like, you know, trace out an open sign. Then we have the same with green, same with blue, yellow, light blue, purple, and then that's it. That's the end of the transition. And then of course we have the brightness control. So if it's too bright for you, you can lower down the brightness like this. And then if you want it brighter, you can raise the brightness like so. We have RGB, so red, green, blue. And then we have some colors under that. So we have yellow, green, blue, red, purple, white. And that's everything on the remote. If we go into the app, we get a little bit more control. So we get a color wheel that we can just cycle through, pick some different colors. We have some presets on the bottom of that and some classic colors to choose from. Then we have a style section. So if we go into the style section, We have some pre-builts right here. So everything that the remote gave you, but this is just easier to select the exact transition that you want, the exact effect. We have music mode. So if you go into music mode, you can pick a tune that's pre-populated in the app. And then once you hit play, and the lights will react to the music that you play. And then we have mic mode. So in this section right here, it's going to use your phone's mic to activate the light. But if you don't want to use a phone mic, you can turn it on external mic, and I'll just show you here. So now I'm using the external mic, and it's fairly accurate, not bad. I'm also able to see how well the external mic picks up sound. So we are getting some misfires, but it's not too bad. It actually does a lot better job than the Govee lights. The Govee lights, the mic on the module, it's actually very terrible. So this is a lot better than that. And then of course, scheduling. This is where you can schedule the lights to turn on and off based on the time of day. So if you're using it as a Christmas light, that will come in handy for you. That's it for the intro part of the video. Let's go set this up and just have some fun with the lights and see all the crazy different things we can do with it.
Had me in your possession, had you swimming inside my affection. But with you I came second, so I cut off the connection. And now you're calling me, holding your heart there inside your hands. You say I'm where you wanna be, but you're out of chances. To come back, crying over the love that you had. Maybe nice try, maybe next time you'll hold on to what you have. No, you don't get to show up, teary-eyed saying I'm all you want. Maybe nice try, maybe next time you won't sleep on a good love. Keep on talking, but I'm already gone. You had your shot, but you went about it all wrong. Tried to pull you in close as we're locked on your phone. Now you're sour, cause I'm moving on. Oh, you're showing up at my door, holding your heart there inside your hands. Baby, I could have been all yours, but you're out of chances. No, you don't get to come back, crying over the love that you had. Maybe nice try, maybe next time you'll hold on to what you have. No, you don't get to.
And there you go. Hopefully this was a short and sweet video. Again, thanks for Shine Decor to sending this out to me to review. Had a lot of fun with it. It is a really good LED light that you could pick up for $50. I do highly recommend it. My favorite thing by far is how close together the LED diodes are. So it gives it this nice, clean rope effect. Really dig that. Now there are some things to be aware of. So if like you go on their website, they do have some pictures where they did a couple of cool things with it. In this one photo here, you see a surfer. He's blue, but his board is orange. How did they do that? Well, they used two LED strips to do that effect. So if you're gonna do two colors, multiple colors on an artwork or something you have, like what they did here, you are going to need two LED light strips, because this thing is only capable of producing one color at a time. It is not RGBW, it is strictly RGB. The RGBW light strips are the one that allow you to break up the strip into different colors. Another thing I noticed is that it doesn't get too bright, so you're not going to be using this to light up a room. Like, you can't put it on the edge of a room and have it light up. It'll light up your room, but it won't be bright enough for you to use it as a dedicated light. This is strictly just to splash some color, some LED color onto your decors, maybe your yard stuff or, you know, your Christmas stuff, things like that. You could potentially try and use it to light up a room, but it won't be very bright even if you use the white color. But all in all, it's a really good product for $50. So if you're interested in picking this LED light kit up, I'll leave a link in the description below. Give me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down below. My name is Z. Thanks for watching. Hasta luego, muchachos.